see you there. I was just reminiscing about an experience I had here at Schmeeckle last summer. You will not believe what happened. My crew and I were checking a small mammal trap out here in Schmeeckle, and we caught a flying squirrel. Did you know that there were flying squirrels in Schmeeckle? I did it. When we went to release the flying squirrel from the trap, instead of it going up the tree, it came running towards me, up my leg, and it flew off my back into the air. Can you believe that? I couldn't. Hi, my name is Christy. I'm an environmental education and interpretation major here at Schmeeckle, and I'm going to be telling you a little bit about southern flying squirrels. Come on. We are standing in good flying squirrel habitat, a deciduous forest. Look at all these trees. All these trees are good for flying squirrels to den in. Leaves. Look at all these leaves. Leaves are something that flying squirrels use to build their nests. So these leaves, even shredded bark from trees. They den in tree cavities. Some build nests in trees. The flying squirrel species found in North America, southern and northern. Southern is the one that can be found in Schmeeckle. Southern flying squirrels are smaller than northern flying squirrels are, about 8 to 10 inches. Oh, hi, sorry, forgot you were there. I was just looking for flying squirrels in this flying squirrel habitat. Sorry, you want to know why I couldn't find any flying squirrels? Well, that's because flying squirrels are nocturnal. You can only find them out and about at dawn and dusk. Because they are nocturnal, that's when they're most active. So I'm not going to find any right now. This is like the middle of the afternoon. They're not going to be out. Come on, let's go talk about diet. They also supplement their diet with eggs, birds, and carrion.